Today we are making delicious chicken fried rice. This is a quick and tasty one-pan meal. First, cut the chicken into small bite-sized pieces. Season them with salt, black pepper, and a little garlic powder. Mix well. Heat oil or butter in a large pan. Add the seasoned chicken and cook until golden and fully cooked. Remove the chicken and set it aside. In the same pan, crack in the eggs and scramble them quickly. While frying the egg, add your fried chicken back into the pan and stir everything together. Now add chopped onions, minced garlic, diced carrots, and green beans or peas. Stir fry the vegetables until they are tender but still crisp. Add in your boiled rice to the pan. Break up any clumps and stir everything together. Pour in soy sauce and mix well so the rice gets nicely coated. Finally, add chopped green onions for freshness and give it one last stir. Look at this beautiful chicken fried rice. Fluffy rice, tender chicken, and colorful vegetables all in one pan. You can serve it hot just like this. Quick tips. Use day-old boiled rice for the best texture. Don't overcook the vegetables so they stay crunchy. Would you try this chicken fried rice recipe? Let me know in the comments. What vegetables do you like to add? Spicy or mild? If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.